Hello, and welcome to this episode of the Superintendent Spotlight. We are here at Moody High School, and we are proud to share that Moody High School is going to be in Bond 2024. As a reminder, we're going around with the Superintendent Spotlights to bring you different projects that are going to be in the bond package. But in this particular bond, we would be renovating restrooms, locker rooms, and hallways. We have done some work here at Moody High School over the past several years, but we want to come back, continue to upgrade it and renovate the school to get it to where it needs to be as they continue to welcome our students each and every year. As a reminder, we also want you to go to our district website at ccisd.us to find all the projects that we're doing in Bond 2024. Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Superintendent Spotlight.